Welcome everyone. Firstly, very important, a couple of days in front of us. We in PLASMAC are very excited, and I hope we are going to be able to transmit to everyone our really excitement and the fun we should start. Thank you very much. Enjoy.
This is a non-vented shredder extruder system. We're running stretch film for our customer supplied stretch film, and basically the machine comprises an elevator with integrated metal detector. We have a roll feed on the back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to move on to the next demonstration. This is our Alpha 60 flake fed machine. So basically, you can see here we have a flake feeder. So this would be for customers who already size reduce their materials. Next machine that we're going to run is our Amiga S machine. This is a 60mm screw diameter machine. It's vented for printed film, very similar to the Amiga M. Elevator with metal detector, integrated roll feed. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're now moving on to the Epsilon. So this is our Epsilon M machine. It has a 60mm screw. This is the machine that basically has a shredder mounted directly above the screw itself. Okay, so this is our last demonstration of the day. So this is the Alpha XS. It's a 45mm extruder, has a capacity of 50 kilos an hour. This particular version is an air-cooled machine with a roll feed, a trim basket, and a manual screen changer. So now again, I will pass you over to Matteo.